Making equitable comparisons with ASAs. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an important topic in English grammar, using ACEs in sentences for comparisons. We'll be focusing on how we can create comparisons that express equality between two items. As always, the goal is to help you understand and use this structure with ease in your daily English communication. So, let's get started. The ACEs form is used in English to make comparisons when the things we're comparing are equal in some way. It is generally structured as plus adjective, adverb plus as. For instance, we could say, John is as tall as Mike. This means that John and Mike have the same height. Or, she runs as quickly as a cheetah. Here, we're saying that her speed is equal to the speed of a cheetah. Now, it's important to know that we can use ACEs with both adjectives and adverbs. With adjectives, we might compare two nouns in terms of a certain quality. For example, this cake is as delicious as the one we had last week. Here, delicious is an adjective describing the cake. With adverbs, we compare two actions. Like, he works as hard as his brother. Hard is an adverb describing how he works. Sometimes, we want to express that things are not equal. For this, we use not ACEs or not so as. This is the negative form of ACEs. For example, it is not as warm today as it was yesterday. This means today's temperature is lower than yesterday's. Or, she doesn't run as fast as her friend. Here, her friend runs faster than she does. To master the use of ACEs, practice is essential. Try creating your own sentences using this structure. Compare two things around you, or describe actions using ACEs. For example, the coffee is as hot as the tea. Or, my dog sleeps as peacefully as a baby. That's it for today's lesson on using ACEs for comparisons. Remember, this structure helps us express equality or inequality between two things or actions. I hope this video has made it clearer for you. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using ACEs like a pro. Thank you for watching and keep up the great work with your English learning journey.